Hi, this is Chris Caves, Corporate Trainer with Eastern Iowa Community Colleges. I'm just dialing in today to give you a few tips and tricks on how I use Zoom to do some of my virtual teaching. I know many of our students are back in school and teachers are using Zoom, and if this video can be helpful to anyone, please share. What I want to point out today is actually the importance of your nonverbals. So just because you're in a virtual platform doesn't mean you don't have to dial up that personality. What you're doing here is trying to keep your students engaged, and you want them to stay focused on you. So what you're going to see is some important things about like lighting. Lighting is key. I made this mistake early on, but what you want to do is make sure you don't have any windows behind you. That was my problem. But have good lighting in the room, have the light in front of you so that your face is not shaded. Because a dark screen is easy to just kind of start snoozing out and not paying attention to. So lighting is key. I have a good camera actually on my desktop here. It's a Logitech camera. It's mounted right up here on my monitor. It has a microphone built into it, so that's really a great feature. And then I have two Logitech speakers on my desktop so that I can hear, but you could wear earbuds or you could wear a headset or whatever makes you comfortable. Along with just those visuals, you also want to keep in mind how important your nonverbals are, okay? So we're going to use everything from eye contact. When you see me really open up my eyes, that's going to draw your attention in to look at me more closely. You're going to see me smile a lot because smiling, as we know, just makes you feel more at ease and makes you feel more comfortable. Because I like you, I'm a likable person. We want to have a likable relationship. I want you to smile. Use a sense of humor for sure. Eye contact is good. I know many times you might be following some notes. So sometimes I will just post some of my notes right on, tape them to the side of my monitor so that you cannot see my eyes, deviating much off the screen. I can just see my notes quickly. But it's not, we're not perfect actors. And if you, need to look down at your notes or pause or take a minute, you can certainly do that as well. The other thing that you want to do is keep track or be mindful, I guess, of your facial expressions. So we talked about eyes and we talked about smiling, but I also want you to keep track of your nonverbals like tone of voice. Play with that tone of voice, raise that pitch up or drop that pitch down when you're really trying to keep their attention. So have a little fun with that. And then another thing that we don't always think about is gesturing. Actually, gesturing is a great tool for keeping people engaged. So when you see me say, I'm trying to, or if you really think, some of those gestures are just a way to really animate your personality and keep your audience engaged, and they're going to pay more attention. So don't get carried away with your gesturing, but it is important to reinforce some concepts. So I hope this helps a little bit today. Some of those nonverbals, some of those lighting, some of those picture quality, and eye contact tips and tricks. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.